Hello and welcome to beautiful Junction City, Oregon. My name is Ashley Lundy and I am here at BISH'S RV, and today we're going to show you a very nice used model we have. This is a 2009, believe it or not, Winnebago Suncruiser 35L, clocking in at 35 feet and 3 inches long. Low miles, great condition, beautiful full body paint. And I'm standing on the back side today to show you the large storage compartments that are underneath the slide out, which you don't see much anymore. That way you don't have to reach underneath and hit your head when you're trying to access your storage on the back. This one also, as we continue down, has a really nice user-friendly sanitation bay, clearly labeled switches, easy access water filter there. You can see we got this one plugged in our little RV park today. 5,500 watt generator. Coming around the back here, you can see a second large slide out propane. Easy if you're going to barbecue to have the propane there, and of course more storage. This one is also going to have side view cameras, backup camera, all the new stuff you would want to see on an even newer model, but for a lot less. As we come inside, you'll see one of the many things I love about Winnebago is easy access switches. You can turn on the power and a separate switch for your chassis battery as well to keep that from running low on you. This is a really neat floor plan because we have a single recliner and we don't see single chairs very often, but you're also going to be able to turn around your front chairs. Nice little passenger workstation, camera, upgraded TV up front, really spacious, you can see. And this is actually a power sofa. So you can make it go all the way down flat and use this as a bed as well. And your booth will also turn into a bed. It's going to have storage underneath it. So it's going to give you a total of 3 beds in this one. You can see solid surface counters here, and when you're not using the stove, nice counter space. And this is going to be your convection oven as well as your microwave to leave you more storage for items instead of having an oven. Down here, this is perhaps my favorite fridge. This has 4 doors, so a lot of extra space for you, but you can also use it on propane or electricity. So if you're going off grid, this is a great choice to get you the most space, but still be able to use it on propane. One of the things Winnebago is known for is their user friendliness. So here's your command center. So everything's in one spot. You don't have to search around and try to locate switches. Everything's together. Of course, we got pantries. And when you pull these out, nice little slider there. You can see we got 2 of these guys. Make storage a breeze. And then they lock in place so they don't come open when you're driving down the road. Another great thing about this floor plan is you actually have a nice sliding closet door, full-length mirrors on it, so when you're getting ready. And on the bathroom here, you can see there's a spot to sit in the shower. They did extremely well with this one. Nice window, gives you storage. There's even a little magazine kind of holder down there for you. But you can see why I like this floor plan so much. Coming to the back, you have an actual sliding door instead of a curtain. This is a very upgraded model from Winnebago in 2009. Coming back here, you have a king-size bed, and you have stereo controls too if you want to listen to the radio back here. You have TV. You have so much storage back here, and you can fully walk around the bed, put whatever you want to look at on the wall. And they have clever little things like this right here being a little laundry hamper. So a lot of things that you just don't see every day here. Fantastic storage. This would be great for couples. This would be great if you had another person or 2 with you, with the addition of the extra beds and the amount of storage space this has. And again, this one only has 45,000 miles. It's a 2009, and my name is Ashley. If you'd like more information on this or one of our other models, please don't hesitate to call or text me directly at 541-337-2387. And thank you so much for watching today.